How to speed up my Wix website. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you that how you can speed up your Wix website. So first what you have to do is come to your Wix dashboard right over here like I'm on mine, and once you land on your Wix dashboard, just scroll down until you see this option of analytics and reports. Once you land on this, just click this option and then search for site speed, and once you find this option, just click this option, and once you click this option, it's going to open this interface for you where it's going to analyze your site speed for the mobile and desktop. Now you can choose a mobile or desktop, whatever you want to, and once you choose the option, it's going to analyze it for you. Now mine doesn't have any enough traffic yet, but once it has traffic, it's going to show your speed over here, and there's going to be this prompt over here which will tell you how to speed up your site. You just have to follow that prompt, and yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how you can speed up your site. I hope you like the process, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.